Welcome to the part 2 of the new fireworks show. Whoa! Woo! As I was saying, fireworks show 2 is about to get started, so it's going to be very dark here. Don't got any flashlights right now, so hope you be able to see what goes on most of the. All right, here it comes. Swing, bada bada, swing. Oh! That was way too close. Boom! Are you entertained?
Yes.
All right. Swing, bada bada, swing. Cannons of the America, launch! Woo! Ah-hoo! I welcome to you all for the Fireworks Show 2023. Woo! All right. Here it comes. Woo! Whoa! And cannons of the third round launch. Woo-hoo! Cannon launch. Boom. All these bombs came from the streets of the battlefield of the Navy. Woo! Ha! Whoa! That was a close fire there. Woo-hoo! Whew. How y'all liking this so far?
Yeah, baby! Yeah.
Back!
Oh.
Incoming fire!
Here it goes.
And boom! Wow! We're going to be having a blast tonight, Pikeville! Wow. Launch! How you guys like it so far? Are you not all entertained?
Oh, it's great!
Well, you're going to be seeing a lot of this because there will be smoke, fire, and bombs!
Whoa. Oh, here comes another one.
Woo! That's how we start first statements and the law of the justice court system. Ooh! Cannons! Fire! Ooh-wee! It was all for you, for Pikeville, for Tennessee, and United States of America!
Oh, here you go, one drink.
Hoo-wee!
Wait a minute, just wait for the little sparks down there, and then you'll know. It needs to be a boom. Be still now. Or you knock something over.
Yeah, we still got a lot of bombs and explosives from the cannons. And boom!
Way to go, Tristan! Yeah!
This is a salute to all of you. Yeah, trouble in paradise. Woo! There's another cannon fire! And this one is for the army! Woo-wee!
Woo-wee!
Ooh, 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 ooh.
No, they've been shot. Fireworks? You like the fireworks, Steve?
How do you rate the fireworks show of this year, people?
Yeah!
Do you give it like a 5-star or a 4-star?
Here goes one, Tommy. Okay.
Alright, here it comes. And boom! Oh, if you think that was the big one, just wait till you get to see the main event. This is a pale as a comparison to what we got in store for you. What I got purchased for all of you! For Pikeville! For Tennessee!
Wow. See that one?
And for the Familia!
Wait a minute. I'll show you.
Yeah, we only wish there would be flashlights for you guys to get to see what an awesome view this is. And... Woo! Thanks. No, we ain't done yet. We're far from finished. We're far from done. Showing up a little bit of and some and discussion conversation downstairs, and but all working for the same purpose, all for the entertainment of the family of the United States of America, and for Tennessee, and for all people that lives in the states of all free countries. No, it ain't done yet. Nah, we ain't done yet. purpose of the device that we have that manually gives a signal to any firework launchers that we got of each number that we got in our disposal. So at this moment are the members of that household. Oh no, it ain't over yet. It ain't over yet.
Hey, you're gonna turn your phone on?
My phone's in the house, but yeah. How you doing?
Music's on the phone, dude.
All right, part 2 coming to an end.